All right, this is task 2 in 15.2. This is on page 473. All right, so you should have watched the video notes for this section, so hopefully some of these words will sound familiar to you. Okay, so we are going to look at this data set. This data set shows the average price of gas in dollars and cents at some gas stations around the world. Find the mean, median, and mode of the data. So we have these data points right here, and we are going to complete the dot plot for this first. For part A, we're going to complete dot plot. So 3.5 is here. 7.99 is like right next to the 8 right here. 3.25. And then 4. 3.5. Oh, another 3.5. So I'm going to put that dot above the other one. Oh, sorry, I haven't been crossing these out. I usually do that, huh? And then 7.5, 3.65, 3.5, another one, and 4. Okay, so if you're not done yet, you can pause and finish before we move on. Okay, for part B, we're going to complete the equations to find the mean. Remember, the mean is equal to the sum of the values divided by the number of data points. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to add up all the values, add up all the data values. So 3.5, 3.65, 3.5, and so on. We're going to add them all together. And adding all that together equals 40.89. I cheated. I have the answer book. Okay, so then we're going to take that sum and we're going to divide it by the number of data points. So we're going to put our 40.89, and we're going to divide it by 9 because there are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if you haven't ever seen these squiggly lines before, these ones, the squiggly line means that it's about. This means that it's been rounded. It's not perfect because a number value for money, we can't go 3 past the decimal point because pennies are the smallest we can go. So that squiggly line means it's not exactly equal to, but we rounded and it's about equal to $4.54. So our mean is $4.54. Okay, part C is we're going to write the data in order from least to greatest and circle the median. Remember, the median is the number value that's smack dab in the middle, the middle number. So in order from least to greatest, the least one is 3.25. Then, and you can use the dot plot, be really easy because you can just put them all in order from left to right. 3.25, and then there's a 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. We have a lot of 3.5s. We have 1, 2, 3 of those. And then 3.65, 4, 4, 7.5, and 7.99. Okay, in order to find the one in the middle, I usually do like a little cross out because we want to take one from each side going into the middle. So I'll cross out the 3.25 and cross out the 7.99. Then I'm going to go and cross out one of the 3.5s and then the 7.5. Then I'm going to cross out the 3.5 and the 4, right? So that way we're moving in from each side exactly evenly. Then I'm going to cross out one more, and then what's left is our 3.65. So $3.65 is the data value that's right in the middle of all the other ones. Okay, and then what is the mode? The mode of the data, well, we know the mode of the data is just the one that occurs the most. So looking at our dot plot, we can see that 3.5 occurs the most often because it has the most data plots. So the mode of the data is $3.50.